Hello and welcome back to the channel. Now, we Nigerians are a special breed of human beings. There are things that we do in our country that are not known to other human beings. The things we do in Nigeria and accept as normal, or maybe not normal, but we certainly accept that this is Niger. They are not known to other human beings outside the shores of our country. So I bring you this story. Twitter users accuse this Nigerian airline company of flying them halfway, then putting them into a bus to continue the rest of their journey. So this is now what is going on. This is now what passes as flying to a destination in Nigeria. I Am Victory is the name of the main complainant. Imagine paying for flight from Abuja to Warri only for aero contractors to drop you at Benin Airport, then put you in a car to Warri. Then in Nigeria, my country, he says with a laughing face. So that was his complaint, but he's taking it in good humor. A Twitter user has alleged that a particular airline company he patronized only flew them half of the way, then put them into a bus to continue the rest of the journey. So that's what it's been added. Then it goes on to repeat what the guy had already said. So now let's see what else goes on there. When asked if the airport caught fire, hence the decision by the airline, the passenger said he didn't even make it to the airport because it was a bus that took him to his destination. Some other Twitter users who claim to have experienced the same treatment corroborated his story. Adaobi, they do this almost all the time. Sometimes you are notified, but more often than not, you are not. Mr. Tari called saving cost, not a busy route. So that's his response. And I Am Victory came back, saving cost at whose expense? Name not blank. Did the airport catch fire? And I Am Victory replied, why you they ask me? I no reach Warri Airport now. So now it's now turning into a bit of a joke, and the laugh, of course, is that because they say if you don't laugh, you cry, and that's pretty much the story of Nigeria. So promise, did this really happen? And then I Am Victory, who seems to now be enjoying himself, says, try taking a flight from Abuja to Warri with Aero and you'll find out. And then Promise replied with a laughing emoji. Anything but ordinary. Oh my God, for real? Now waiting them do you for real? I Am Victory replied, it's a painful something, for real though. So there you have it. This is what is now going on in Nigeria. It's the level of incompetence in Nigeria, you see, that really jars the senses of a lot of people. Because even basic things, people in Nigeria, they say common Ghana. But if you look at the Ghanaian airport, with everything automated, everything clean, everything standardized, everything up to date, everything on par, and then you look at Nigerian airport, yeah, they will put a gunman, a uniformed gun around the trolley to carry your luggage, and then everybody is like a hardcore. The whole thing is ramshackled, everything is just run down, and then they are collecting. You bribe your way all the way to your flight, and you bribe your way all the way back again because they're ready to torment your life. It's just a torture. And then when you get on the flight, even when you get to your destination, well, ask I Am Victory. He never got to his. They took him halfway. They say don't do ya, carry bus, they go. And this is Nigeria for you. I don't want to say it's a hopeless country, but really it's a task to continue to maintain your hope in that country, because it just wears you down. You know, just something basic as taking a flight from one destination to another, which you have paid for, because that payment that you have made is what sustained them, and in exchange for that payment is a contract to take you from A to B. But then they take you from A to A plus A minus, and then from A minus, then they'll take you to it's just I can't even do the maths. It's just ridiculous the way we are in that country. But it's funny and tragic in equal measure. But I'm glad that the guy is taking it in good humor, because as I said, with Nigeria, if you don't laugh, you will cry. So what says you? Flights reaching their destination in Nigeria, halfway house, buy one, get half. and then they put you on a bus, and then who pays for that bus? I'm not even sure that they didn't make him pay for the bus, and that's the story of Nigeria, really. So what's your flight experiences in Nigeria? Come join me in the comment section. Let's talk about flights in Nigeria. But before you come join me in the comment section to talk about flights in Nigeria, click on the red subscribe button to turn it gray, so you subscribe, and then click on the bell button as well, so you are made aware as soon as I drop a new video. And then once you've done both, come, let's have a bit of a joke about this in the comment section. So I'll leave you here, meet you there, but here I say peace.